All right, everyone, Lorenzo here. So we're going to be doing a button tutorial video on the Toyota Camry LE. Stay tuned. Starting off on the door here, you have your lock, unlock, and then you have your child lock for the window. And then right here, you can control your mirrors. Left mirror, right mirror. Below the left side of the steering wheel, you have your automatic high beam button, traction control off, and then you can control the brightness on your display right here. Next button is to open up the trunk, and then you have to open up the gas. Now right over here, you have all your buttons to control your lights. So you have your daytime running lights, auto lights, parking lights, and more. Left side of the steering wheel, you can actually push to call or answer a phone call. That's your back button for your display. And then you have a couple different buttons to be able to navigate your screen right here, left and right. And right here, you have your volume up, volume down button. And right down here, you have your voice to speak. Right side of the steering wheel, you have some buttons to control some of your safety features, like your radar cruise control, your steer assist. You can actually switch it from radar cruise control to regular cruise control. Here's to control the speed up and down. And then right here, you have your button to control the distance between you and the preceding vehicle. Right here, you can actually change different music, and then the mode buttons is your different stations, like if you wanted to use Apple Music or CarPlay or Sirius XM. Right up here, you have your buttons for your lights, left light, right light, and then your shade holder. Now this one does come with the home link, so you have your buttons for your different garages. If you have multiple garages, you can set those up. Right here are all your air conditioning buttons. So you have your off button, you have your front defroster, rear defroster with your outside mirrors. Then you have your temperature control, fan speed, where you want the air to flow. And then you also have it where you can sync it together, filter the air within the cabin, and then your AC button here. Down deep in here, you have two USB-C ports, and then you have a USB. And then this also comes with a wireless charger. Right down here next to your shift knob, you have sport mode, normal drive, eco. And then right here you have your EV mode button, your brake hold function, and your electronic parking brake. Right here, I just wanted to show you guys what it does when you switch it from sport, normal, eco drive. Now I wanted to elaborate a little bit more on the EV mode, since a lot of people might not know what that is, but when your battery is charged enough, when you push this button, in the top right corner, it'll say EV mode, and it'll drive a short portion of time on just the electric battery. Nice infotainment screen here. This comes with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Now right down here, you have your controls to push the seat forward, back. You can control the back part to come forward or back, and then you have your lumbar support. Down here in the back, you have your vents, and then right below here, you have a USB-C. And then right here, you have a USB. Now here's the car here. This is an LE in the underground color. Here's your lock button, and then your unlock button. Last button on the key fob here, you can actually unlock the trunk, and there you go. Nice space. You have this nice Camry all-weather mat, and then underneath, you actually end up having a spare tire. This does come with the smart key system on the door. When you put your hand in, opens up right away. Now let's take a quick look at the inside, the front. There you go. Now this one's stickers for $31,724, and it does come with the convenience package, which gives you the power adjustable seats, and then you get the home link mirror and the smart key system on the doors. And there you guys go. There's a button tutorial video on the Toyota Camry.